Hey, it's RPM Tesla. We finally got the new screen protectors in. This is front seat and back seat, 9H glass, fingerprint resistant, oleophobic coated screen protectors for your Juniper 2026 Model Y and Model 3 Highlands from 24 and newer. Let's show you how easy this installs in seconds. Okay, get in the car, turn your air conditioning off, put your screen protector mode on, and let's start. Okay, with our new installation holder, the framing, the alignment is made so simple. You're just gonna open this box up. These tools you won't even need unless you get dust, but we're gonna show you how to avoid dust. But this is the framed alignment box. This makes it unbelievable. You're literally gonna put this right on here after you clean it. You're gonna lock it in place and you're gonna pull this out and it's gonna go on flawlessly. So what we wanna do is to make sure we get rid of all the dust on it. So what we're gonna do is clean it really good, really good with a nice microfiber towel and some rubbing alcohol. Now, you may notice this object on the left. Well, this is our #1 selling high-speed wireless charging 15-watt dock, or a frame that holds your phone either horizontal or vertical, and it charges at high speed. So it's perfect. You can adjust it up and down, you can turn it, and you can hide it. So the nicest thing about this is that it is a hidden retractable mount that plugs right in the cigarette lighter to give you 15 volts of power, and it connects by MagSafe, and it's perfect. It's even better with a yoke because you have no obstructed view, but you really can crank it up high and extend it out and put your phone up like this, so you really could see your phone in case you're distracted or you're controlling your music or you're doing anything, but your eyes are up on the road. So again, this is one of our best sellers. So let's get back to the screen protection, 9H glass, which has got that coating on it. So right now you'll notice if I put my fingerprint on this thing, you get them all over the place. You get fingerprints like crazy. Watch what happens with the oleophobic coating on it. So right now we've cleaned it all off. And obviously this says TOP, so this is the top. All right, so we attach it like this, push down, and now we're gonna grab the #1, then we're #2, then #3. So 1, 2, 3. Slide this out all the way. Now it says 1 is to cover, 2 is to tear. So we're going to lift up on this and pull this really slow. Now this has an opening in it. You can see the tension grabbing it. And now there it goes. So right now just do this with your finger. And now the adhesive is grabbing. You can see a little bubble up here. Just push some of these air bubbles to the side and you'll have a perfect installation. Now, any troubled areas, there's 2 different types of trouble. One is air, so you just work the air to the side, and the other can be from a speck of dust. And to get a speck of dust out, you grab the nearest corner and you lift it a tiny bit and just push it down. Now, if the dust is really deep, now we're going to do the 3rd step. And there's one more tab here. So this is 3. Pull on this. And there's your beautiful screen. So this is perfect. We've got a perfect installation because we've got one speck in the middle. And we're going to show you how to remove. And again, first, if it's right here above the 4, we're going to try to work it to the side. See if it's just not grabbing. Yeah, it's not even dust. It's fine. So now we're going to clean it. And if you did have a speck of dust, you would just resort to these tool bags. Inside of these bags, it gives you a cleaning kit. It gives you a way to remove dust if you've got dust stuck. Like let's say right here, we can see one speck of dust, okay? It looks like one to me. So these are dust absorbers. Watch how cool this is. So there's our dust. We're going to lift up this corner and come down the side, and we're going to get this speck of dust out. So see that? Now we're going to lift it up. See the speck of dust? And now the speck of dust is on here. Let the surface tension grab it, And watch, the dust is gone. So anyone can literally get a perfect installation by just using these little dust grabbers if you need it. And now, my favorite part is showing how you don't get fingerprints. Let's see what I got up here. Oh, a couple more spots. So it's great. I'm going to use our little tiny little squeegee. Lift it up and push out all these areas. And now the thin adhesive will grab. This is actually a nice little cleaner too. So you can clean this with mild soap and water anytime you want. But watch this. Ready? So right in this reflection, look at that. The oleophobic coating is great. You can't see fingerprints like you normally can, if at all. So it really helps. Now we're gonna hop in the back seat. Here's the front again, all cleaned up. And then in the back seat, all we're gonna do is connect or install the back seat piece, which is very simple. It's just peel and stick. So we're gonna clean it the same way. We're gonna slide this over. And then this is the adhesive on the back side of this glass. So we're gonna take this and put it right down there. We'll get in the back seat, show you real quick how to do this so you know how to install these great self-installing framed 9/8 glass screen protectors. Don't let kids break it. Don't let objects break it. Protect your display, lose the fingerprints. And again, everything works perfect because of this 9/8 glass. Thanks again for watching. It is RPM Tesla, and we appreciate your business. And just give us a call if you need any help. Again, we're located in California. We answer the phones all day long. We're an American company, family owned. No restocking fees. If you don't like something, just send it back. And we got a lot of new products coming out for our big back to school sale starting right now. 30% off all orders. Thank you again. And let's get in the back seat real quick. Okay, again, we have the air off. We're doing our final wipe down. We're gonna go into settings, put it in screen display mode. Okay, just make sure it's nice and clean. And peel and stick. To remove the sticker or the film that Tesla includes, and drop this corner in there, that corner in there. Perfect fitment, just like that. Draw a line down the middle and watch it grab. That light is so bright, it's so hard to see. And you're done. Again, lifting this up, pushing it out. Perfect installation.